I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're facing a payment error on Epic Launcher, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Sometimes, expired cards or insufficient balance can trigger errors. Step 2. Update your billing information. Go to your account settings and update any outdated billing information. This includes your address and payment details. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can help resolve any temporary issues. This can be done in your browser settings. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it. Sometimes these services can interfere with payment processing. Step 5. Contact Epic support. If the issue persists, reach out to Epic Games support. Provide them with details of the error for a quicker resolution. Sometimes, payment errors can be frustrating, but following these steps should help you get back to gaming in no time. Good luck!